Okay. Introduce yourself and tell me what you're gonna do.
What's introducing mean?
That means say your name.
My name's Maddie, and I'll do you your cool trick.
Okay, show me cool tricks. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, do a quick one. Go. Oh, bring it back. There, nice.
Why do I have to do quick?
Because it's the cool way to do it. Do another. Just flick it. Whoa! Nice. Nice. Man, you're a pro at that thing, huh? Bring it up. Okay. Say, my name's Maddie, and that was my cool trick.
My name's Ray, and that's my cool trick. That's what they do in Gabbleland.
That what? They do?
Yes, and you'll gabba.
Okay. Say, see you later,
See you later, Poopy.
Maddie.
See you later, Hannah.
Bye-bye.